أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, who is very kind to us and who is most merciful and who is the creator of all the creatures and who is the creator of all the living things and non-living things. And over here, I would like to greet Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to all of my students, especially the students from the Civil Engineering Department, the University of Lahore, section D is right now with me over there. And what special of the day is there? I do discuss with you today. That is, I am here about to tell you um, about the online exam, online real exam, how this exam would look like, and how you will prepare for the exam, and how you will appear in the exam, and how will you um, do and attempt your online exam. All right. And before going to describe what special for the online exam is there, I would like to call Mr. Muzammil Abbas. Assalamu alaikum, beta.
वालेकुम सलाम सर, आप क्या हाल है?
Alhamdulillah, beta, I'm fine there. It is very special meeting there for which I have called you up there, and it is to tell you about the online exam that I am going to conduct over there. And your exam is the day after tomorrow. And what date will be there after tomorrow? Do tell me, Mr. Muzammil.
Yes sir, 9th May.
9th May, all right? On the 9th May at inshallah 11 a.m. in the morning, 11 a.m.
Yes
Your
sir.
exam will be started, all right? Over here in this
Yes.
video, I will tell you how you will prepare and for the exam, and what special there many questions might be there. Inshallah, after this meeting, everything will be clear. Okay, Mr. Muzammil Abbas,
Yes sir.
you should be with me over there for acknowledging me, all right? And
Okay
I
sir.
do greet Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to all of my students, to all of my fans over there, and all of my YouTube channel viewers, and all the Pakistanis. And I welcome all of you, and I'm going to tell you, I'm Muhammad Shahzad, your instructor. I'm an assistant professor there in the University of Lahore. All right. And now, what to do, my dear? All the students, you will have to do 15 minutes before the start of the exam. What to do? All right. Mr. Muzammil, are you there?
Yes sir.
Okay. Before the exam, it means 15 minutes before, you should prepare yourself. How? I'm going to tell you. Before the exam, you should have to do what? Important points to be noted over there. Number one, open Microsoft Word processing file. All right. And
Yes
number
sir.
two is save that file or name the open file. And you people all know how to save the file. Click on the file menu and select save. And then you will have to, everybody, every student has to save or name the file by word, naming the file by giving your registration number and your name. All right. Two things you should have to do before the exam. Open Microsoft Word file and name that file or save that file with your registration number and your name. All right. Is it clear, Mr. Muzammil Abbas?
Yes, sir.
All right, my dear. Now, the other thing you will do, these are the instructions for the online exam. Log in to the UOL Moodle or the Slate at the set date and time of the online exam. Okay, when you will log in over there to the Slate, and what to do? Okay, numbers again. From the Slate, go to the current week. Okay, that is from 3rd May to the 10th May 2020, and click the link. All right, what sort of the link you will find over there? That is the name of the link, or the link string will be, inshallah, you will find over there, online exam or quiz instructions. All right, click on that one. And the other thing is that there, download and open the attached file containing the instructions for the online exam. And I would like to tell you over there, it is not necessarily needed, or all right, it is not necessarily needed that you must download the instruction file. All right, as your instructor, I am Muhammad Shahzad. I will be with you, inshallah, and I will tell you the instructions and what to do, and you will have to follow the instructions. All right, and the other thing you will have to follow, connect, then you will have to connect to the scheduled online lecture or exam at the set date and time. You will find a string over there, online lecture or exam. All right, if online exam must be there. All right, you will click on that one, and then a Zoom meeting will open. Then all of my students know how to connect to the Zoom. All right, then you will be automatically connected when you will start the meeting over there. Are you getting, Mr. Muzammil Abbas?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, need not worry, I'm there with you, and I will tell you how to prepare. Okay, once you have joined over there, all right, online, in the online exam, on joining the online exam, listen and note whatever your instructor Muhammad Shahzad will tell you. Carefully listen to that one and note that one. All right, and follow the instructions. All right, are you getting, Mr. Muzammil?
Yes, sir.
And then what special to be noted over here, each question has a time slot allocated with it, and your instructor will tell you. All right, are you
Yes, sir.
getting me? Okay, acknowledge me whenever I finish that point. Okay, here are the
Okay,
points
sir.
that are very important points. How to attempt online exam. All right, and how to attempt right now, I'm going to tell you. That is, open Microsoft Word file uh, at least 15 minutes before. All right,
Yes, sir.
not when I do tell you to, then you will open. No, before the beginning of the online exam, you will, 15 minutes before, you will have to open Microsoft Word file. All right, and name
Yes, sir.
the file with your registration number and the name. And the third thing is there, do as directed by your online instructor, that is I am Muhammad Shahzad. All right, my dear, and write the answers of the questions according to the instructions of the program. Program and online, your instructor, inshallah, I will be there. There will be some instruction. You will have to follow those ones. All right. I will do tell you.
Yes, sir.
You will have to write in the Microsoft Word file the answer. That will be very short, not very long. And the other thing is, don't forget saving the file after writing the answer. How you will save? You will press Control S,
Yes.
or you will save the file and then save. Control S you will do in this way. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for acknowledging me. And the other thing is there, at the end of uh, your online exam, you will be asked to convert the Microsoft Word file to a PDF file. All right. How you will?
Yes, sir.
All of you must know how to save the Word file as a PDF file. Click on the file menu and then you will select save as. All right. Option
Yes, sir.
save as, and then you will select a format over there in the dialog box. Click on the dialog box that will that is format, and if you click on the format, there you will find a PDF. Select the PDF option and then press OK. After pressing OK, your file, Word file, will be converted, inshallah, into PDF. And then you will have to do what? From the slate, from the Moodle. All right.
Yes, sir.
And as I have told you, you will have to click on online instructions, online exam instructions. Click on that one. All right. When you
Yes, sir.
click on that one, online instructions. All right. Not online exam. All right. When you will click on the link named online exam or quiz instructions, you will click on that one. All right. There you will come to know there will be given an option, you people, to upload a file. You will click on upload a file. Okay. A dialog box will come over there and then you will select the file you have earlier on converted. That is online exams. All right, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just like the way Mr. Muzammil Abbas,
Yes.
have you submitted a file over there for the assignment that I have given you?
Yes, sir.
The same way, but need to know over here. When you will be asked to send this file immediately onto the slate, you will search where it is written online exam instructions. Click that link and then you will have to upload the file that you have converted. All right. Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion over there or not? And after uploading, there you will find a button, submit button. All right. Don't.
Yes, sir. But sir,
Yes.
यहाँ पे लड़के मैसेज कर रहे हैं कुछ लड़कों के पास वो लैपटॉप मौजूद नहीं है.
What to do for them? Who is speaking there?
सर यहाँ चैट पे एक दो लड़के कह रहे हैं लैपटॉप कोई कह रहा है हॉस्टल में और कोई कह रहा है हमारे पास नहीं है.
My dear, one thing is there. You are given one day. Okay, one day is there. Tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And you should prepare yourself for the exam. and you know I am doing this thing for you only. Okay, none of the your
Yes.
teacher is arranging this thing. Tell me, Mr. Muzammil Abbas, have you heard about any teacher who is managing this exam like me?
No, sir.
Okay, beta, be brave, yeah. Now, one thing that I am going to tell you that is very special. It will make you happy
Yes,
over
sir.
there. It will make you happy over there, all right? That is what,
Yes.
my dear. That is, I am going to tell you how to prepare yourself. Okay, note, have
Yes.
you pencil with you and notebook with you?
Yes, sir.
Note that one.
Yes, sir.
Number one, you will have to watch all of my online lectures, all right? And how
Yes, sir.
it a, a very beneficial source and open source for you is my channel. YouTube channel is there. My YouTube channel name is Prosperity and Self Dependence, and all of my students know very well. My dear, you need to go to YouTube, and there you will have to write uh, prosperity and self dependence. You know, Mr. Muzammil Abbas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, once you open that one, there you can find over there an easy way is there. There you can find an album or the say there you can find online lectures. Click on that one, or you can find over there, you know very well. And you will have to look for watch every online lecture that I have uploaded over there. And today I am going to upload as well one lecture that will guide you. Okay, okay, my
Yes,
dear.
sir.
And what's special? How to prepare yourself, my dear, for the online exam? Okay, note one thing. There might be a code of C++ code before you. I will ask you. You are given 30 seconds. All right. Tell whether this code is correct. There is an error or not. You will have to write in Microsoft Word file yes or no. All right. I will help you.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I will tell you. Okay. There will come a slide over there. Might come only two instructions might be there. C++. All right. C++. Two instructions or two statements will be there. What to do, my dear? And you will be asked. There is an error over there in this code. Write this code in the Microsoft Word file. All right.
Yes, sir.
One special. Give me 1 minute over there. Okay. Over there. What is going on over there?
सर उस्मान कामरान के माइक खोल दे, वो बात करना चाहता है.
Usman. Okay.
मोहम्मद उस्मान कामरान.
Actually, my Muhammad Usman. What's his complete name is there?
मोहम्मद उस्मान कामरान.
Okay, give me some time as my eyesight is weak there. Muhammad, yeah, Meher Usman. Meher Usman.
मोहम्मद उस्मान कामरान.
Okay. I do come. Muhammad Usman Kamran. Assalamu alaikum, beta. Muhammad Usman Kamran. You are live now.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what's the problem you are right now.
सर मैंने आपसे कुछ चीजें पूछनी थी. सबसे पहले तो ये मैंने आपसे पूछना था कि जो पैटर्न होगा क्विज का, ये आप थोड़ा दोबारा एक दफा रिव्यू कर दें. कैसे होगा ये पैटर्न इसका?
यार, I am describing this one. Need not worry, यार. I am describing right now.
जी जी सर, वो मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि मतलब कि एमसीक्यूज होंगे या हमें कोई प्रोग्राम
No MCQs will be there, यार. No MCQs. Do listen me
अच्छा,
carefully.
जी
Say,
सर।
listen, my dear, I made you prepare since the beginning right now. Okay, say, do listen me. All right.
यस
Say,
सर, आई एम लिसनिंग।
a code of C++ will be there or consisting of one instruction. All right. There may be an error in that code.
यस सर।
I will ask you, write the code, write the correct code. All right. You will write
यस सर।
that code
यस सर।
in the Microsoft Word file that you might have opened over there, and that
यस
you
सर।
should have opened over there. All right.
यस सर।
Are you getting my dear?
यस सर। तो सर टाइम कितना होगा?
टाइम आपको बताते हैं बेटा, डोंट यू वरी। एक तो बात बेटा, अगर आप इंग्लिश में परेशान हो रहे हैं, उर्दू में बता दूं आपको?
सर जैसे आपको इजी लगे, मैं दोनों में सुन लूंगा।
Okay, if you are feeling easy over there, I do tell
यस
you.
सर, आई एम फीलिंग इजी, आई
Okay,
एम इजी।
okay, Maria. Then you might be asked two lines of or more than two lines of C++ code might be there. Okay, you will be asked to write the correct code. Okay, only you will have to write the code in the Microsoft Word file. Are you getting, my dear?
यस सर, आई एम गेटिंग।
All right. And the other thing is there, you might have code, C++ code. You will have to write what will be the output of that code. All right. In the
Okay, sir.
Microsoft Word file. Are you getting, my dear?
यस सर, यस सर।
One thing before attempting, all right, whatever the
Yes, sir.
question number is written over there, all right, I will tell you, write A, right,
A.
write part A, all right, you will write just
Yes, sir.
A at the top, all right,
ओके सर।
and then I will tell you, write A means it is the first question, all right, first screen over there, and second screen will come. I will tell you write B. When I will tell you write B, you will write onto what? Microsoft Word file. बेटा आप सब लोग सुन लें कि आप सब लोगों ने करना क्या है। आप लोगों ने जो पहला क्वेश्चन आएगा, मैं आपसे कहूंगा कि आपने ए लिखें, आपने ए लिख लिया, और फिर आप वहां पर उसके नीचे आपने उसका आंसर लिखना है। अगर आपसे पूछा जाए इसकी आउटपुट क्या है, तो आपने लिखना है जस्ट उसकी आउटपुट लिख दें। से बेटा मैं लिख देता हूँ सी आउट विद इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स के अंदर लिख देता हूँ अल्लाह, तो क्या प्रिंट होगा बोलो?
सॉरी सर।
बेटा मैं अगर एक सी आउट की, मैं आपसे बेटा एक सी आउट की स्टेटमेंट मैं लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे, सी आउट,
जी सर।
आगे मैं इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स के अंदर में अल्लाह का नाम प्रिंट अल्लाह का नाम लिखा हुआ है। व्हाट विल
Yes,
बी
sir.
प्रिंटेड? व्हाट विल बी
सर
प्रिंटेड?
अल्लाह प्रिंट हो जाएगा।
अल्लाह प्रिंट हो जाएगा ना?
Yes,
And
sir.
other one thing is there, you should have to remember how to attempt how to correct the code. There might be, say, the C++, for the C++ keywords are there. You should have to remember for each C++ code, that is if that one is the C++ owns keyword is there, all right, you will have to write that one in lower case. आप सबके लिए है बेटा कि अगर कोई आपको कोड दे देता हूं मैं, ठीक है बेटा, आपको एक कोड दे दिया, आपसे कहा गया कि बेटा आपने इसको करेक्ट करके लिखना है, तो आपने क्या देखना है? आपने ये देखना है कि क्या ये C++ का अपना कीवर्ड है या C++ की अपनी लैंग्वेज में से है, ठीक है? जैसे
ठीक है।
सी आउट है, ठीक है बेटा, मुजम्मिल अब्बास, बेटा मुजम्मिल अब्बास, वेयर आर यू?
यस सर।
अच्छा बेटा, मुजम्मिल अब्बास का गला खराब है आज अभी, तो बेटा यहाँ पर अगर बहुत आसान करके मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोड दिया गया है तो उसमें सबसे पहले देखना है कि कोई कोड अगर लैंग्वेज का अपना है, कोई कीवर्ड है, लैंग्वेज की अपनी वर्ड है, तो उसको आपने स्मॉल में लिखना है, स्मॉल लेटर्स में। जैसे मैं सी आउट को कैपिटल लेटर में लिखा हो तो आपने किस में लिखना है? आपने
स्मॉल लेटर्स।
स्मॉल लेटर्स में लिखना है। जैसे सी आउट के बाद डबल लेस देन साइन आता है कि नहीं?
यस सर।
अगर वहां लिखा हो डबल ग्रेटर देन साइन,
चेंज कर देंगे सर, लेस देन कर देंगे।
आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, यार एक प्रोग्राम है आपके सामने, वो आपको दिया होगा कि जी इसको करेक्ट करके लिखिए, इसमें एरर है, तो आपने उसको करेक्ट करके लिखना है। आर यू गेटिंग? और
यस
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट
सर।
वर्ड की फाइल के अंदर लिखना है, उसको सेव कर देना है। और कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन है आपको, कोई अगर आपसे कहा जाता है कि ये एक प्रोग्राम है, वो सिर्फ आपके 2 लाइंस के ऊपर भी मुश्तमिल हो सकता है या 3 के ऊपर भी हो सकता है 10 लाइंस के ऊपर भी हो सकता है। आपसे ये पूछा जाएगा कि जी आपने इसकी आउटपुट लिखना है, क्या करना है?
आउटपुट।
इसका आउटपुट लिखना है, आपने उसका आउटपुट लिख देना है। ठीक है बेटा?
यस सर।
मेरे ख्याल में इतना काफी है। ठीक है? और क्या
Yes,
करना है
sir.
आपने? जब सेव कर लेना है, जब आपसे कहा जाए एंड के ऊपर, तो बेटा आपने उसको सेव करना है। सेव करने के बाद आपने क्या करना है? उसको पीडीएफ में सेव करना है।
यस सर।
और आपको ऑनलाइन एग्जाम इंस्ट्रक्शंस वाला एक लिंक आपको नजर आ रहा होगा, उसको क्लिक करना है आपने। ठीक है? और फिर वहां से आपको एक, जिस तरह असाइनमेंट अपलोड करते हैं ना, इसी यहाँ से आपने अपलोड करना है, आपने ये पीडीएफ की फाइल को अपलोड करना है। ऑलराइट?
यस सर।
और मैं इसको अब, और सबमिट के बटन को दबाना नहीं भूलना। ये आप कहेंगे सर आपने तो
ओके सर।
सबमिट का कहा नहीं था, हमने अपलोड कर दी थी। जब तक सबमिट नहीं करेंगे तो वो बटन नहीं दबाएंगे तो वो सबमिट नहीं होता है। ठीक है बेटा? तो मेरे
यस सर,
ख्याल में
समझ लग गई।
यस।
ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस काफी हो गई हैं। तो मैं अब ये मोहम्मद बिलाल से बात करता हूँ। जी बेटा
अच्छा
मोहम्मद
सर,
बिलाल।
एक और बात करनी थी सर।
कौन है बेटा?
सर मैं मोहम्मद उस्मान बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी बेटा बोलो।
सर वो आपने अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में कहा था कि मैं असाइनमेंट नंबर 1 की जो है ना वो डेट एक्सटेंड कर दूंगा, तो अभी तक आपने वो की नहीं है।
एक्चुअली बेटा मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, अंश भी मुझसे बात कर रहा था। अंश ने ये किया कि he has uploaded the wrong file over there. For the assignment number 2 he submitted assignment number 1, and for the assignment number 1 he submitted the assignment number 2.
यस सर।
Interchangeably he submitted. Now he is asking me for giving him one more chance over there. ठीक है? And for the assignment number 1 I will give you a relaxation over there inshallah as well. All right?
ठीक है
और
सर।
अच्छा बेटा, आप सब लोगों से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप सब लोग YouTube चैनल के ऊपर जाओ और मेरे जितने भी चैनल वो हैं देखें। जैसे बेटा मैंने आपसे अरेज के भी मैंने आपको कराए हैं ना ऑनलाइन लेक्चर। बेटा ऑनलाइन लेक्चर मैंने अपलोड किए हुए हैं, उसको भी अच्छे तरीके से देखें, और जितने भी कुछ मैंने पढ़ा दिए हैं उसको अच्छे तरीके से आपने देखा। ठीक है बेटा? इसके साथ ही मैं आपसे इजाजत चाहता हूं। बेटा आप सब लोग अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज। इंशाल्लाह हफ्ते को सैटरडे को ऑन 9th of May on 11 AM your online exam will be started. और आप सब लोगों के लिए नेक तमन्नाएं और मेरी दुआएं हैं। और ये देखें बेटा, ऐसा एग्जाम कोई कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं बेटा कोई?
नो सर।
अच्छा बेटा अपना ख्याल रखिएगा और इसमें घबराना नहीं है। ठीक है भाईजान? आई एम देयर विद
ओके
यू।
सर।
मैं आपके साथ हूं। बेटा देखिए आप लोगों ने बहुत, और पता है आप लोगों को, आप सेक्शन डी और सेक्शन ई, आपको नहीं पता पूरी दुनिया से आप लोगों के बारे में मेरे पास आ रही हैं बातें, कॉल्स आ रही हैं, मुझे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि यार ये जो स्टूडेंट्स बड़े अच्छे हैं आपके, ये तो बड़े अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ रही हैं। मैं आप सब लोगों को कहूंगा थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द online lectures, and now in the online exam, I will welcome you. Allah Hafiz beta. Okay, गला
Allah
खराब
Hafiz.
हुआ है बेटा. Allah Hafiz आपका.
Okay.
अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह ताला हमें हर तरह की बीमारियों से बचाए. अल्लाह हाफिज बेटा.